Okay, YouTubers, today we're going to do a video on the assembly of the Danial Boone Green Mountain Grill. It's a pellet grill. We're going to do a series on this. Basically, this one's just going to be the assembly. Then we're going to do actually trying to cook something. One of the reasons that I bought this grill was because of this. The Wi-Fi control. Last time I used a pellet grill, it was a good grill, but the pellets bridged over on it. I didn't know it, and I ended up ruining the dinner and the meat. So we're going to see how this one does. So let's get to putting it together. So basically, on opening, this is what you get. A lot of cardboard and some plastic. Styrofoam. Set that to the side. We shall set this to the side. Oh, parts. We'll set this down. Also, to show you, there's the shipping weight, the size. So, this is what it looks like after doing a little bit of surgery on the box. Ended up just having to cut it out. Let's open the lid and see what's inside. Looks like the handle's just mounted in backwards. The tray. Some of the inside stuff. And the pellet box. Let's get her out of there. What do you say? Well, after removing the heat trays, this is what we get. Trays for the meat. Looks like the legs. Huh. And the instructions. Way down there. Okay. Let's pop her out of this box. Okay, as you can see, we have it up on its wheels now. Had to get a little help. It is a heavy grill. That's good. Danial Boone. Firebox. This plate, right here, the silver, it was loose in there and it was moving around. That may be for something later. We'll have to see what comes in the instructions. The inside, the firebox. There is styrofoam around in it, so it will need a cleaning. Okay, turns out that that book is the instructions, but it's also a cookbook too. Just look how thick that is. We're going to try some recipes there. There's your CD for the Wi-Fi to set up. Now, one thing that I can't stress enough are these little bag of pellets. One of the problems with starting up a new grill is getting the auger to feed in pellets, getting that tube full there, because the firebox not starting. So it comes with a little bag that you pre-fill. Cookbook, CD. So then basically assembly. You do one-handed. Is this box. So that's the first grease tray. One of the features of the Green Mountain Grill is that it has two grease trays. The theory being, if you want searing direct heat, you open up the holes, indirect, slide it, and they close. Open, close. Next, the actual cooking grills. Let's put them in the correct direction. That one's upside down. I will have to take this all apart and clean it out. And there. We've assembled the smokestack. Decatch all your drippings. So there's a temperature probe. So you know what the temperature of the meat is. The cookbook. I installed the antenna. And there you have it. A completed grill. Next video in the series, I'll be setting up the Wi-Fi. And then we'll do a first time cook. Set up the grill. Model. All the self checks. Thank you. Please subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And have a nice day.